Hi, my name is Edgar Calupas. I am 29 years of age from Cebu City, Philippines, with experience in customer service, hospitality, and merchandise support. I had the privilege of working with respective organizations such as Wipro Philippines, Experience Plus Solutions, Walpon Philippines, Richmond Plaza Hotel, and McDonald's, where I learned the value of teamwork, attention to detailed, and delivering service with integrity. One of the most formative chapter of my career was working at McDonald's, where I started a service crew and eventually lead a local store marketing. That experience taught me the importance of teamwork, discipline, and serving with a smile, where values I continue to carry with me in every role. I had a degree in hotel and restaurant management from University of Cebu and continue to seek ways to improve both personally and professionally. I am eager to contribute to a team or a company where I can learn, support others, and make a meaningful impact. Thank you.